Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, How to Connect to Rossware Server Solutions. Many companies are switching to a cloud solution. This means that their data is held on servers outside of their location on machines maintained by someone outside their company. There are many positives to this setup. For one, it allows for remote access to your data from anywhere you have an internet connection. 2. Rossware Server Solutions offers redundant backups, keeping your data secure. 3. Rossware maintains up-to-date modern technology. This eliminates the need for you to keep someone on staff to maintain and upgrade these systems for you. Once your virtual office has been set up on the cloud, you'll be given a domain to connect to and a username and password. This video will demonstrate how to use that information to connect to Rossware Server Solutions. First, go to your desktop and right-click in an empty space. In the menu that opens, choose New and then Shortcut. In the box that opens, type MSTSC and then select Next. Name your shortcut Rossware Server Connection and select Finish. You now have a shortcut on your desktop. Double-click to open the shortcut. This opens the Remote Desktop Connection login. If you do not see an interface with tabs, click Show Options. Next, enter the URL that was given you by Rossware. Next, enter your username. If you would like to save your credentials, click the Allow me to save credentials box. However, if for security purposes you would like the password to be entered every time you connect, leave the Allow me to save credentials box unchecked. Now click on the Display tab. Here we can designate the size of the remote desktop. This setting will help you to be sure the remote desktop connection fits in your monitor. Drag the slider all the way to the right to use full screen mode. If you have multiple monitors, you may check this box to use all your monitors during the remote session. Next, move to the Local Resources tab. This is where you'll configure sound, specific keyboard settings, and local resources like your printers. Under Audio, you can choose to have the sounds from the remote computer play on your local computer. Under the keyboard settings, you can choose which computer the Windows combination keystrokes, such as Alt-Tab or Windows D, will apply to. The setting, only when using the full screen, will allow you to use these functions on your local computer and only on the remote computer when it is maximized into full viewing mode. If we choose More under Local Devices and Resources, we can choose to have our local drives visible on the connected remote computer. We'll just hit the Expand button and choose to have our external hard drive shared with the remote desktop. If we want to share our printers and our Windows clipboard, we'll want to be sure to leave these boxes checked. The Programs tab is used if you want a particular program to launch upon connection. The Experience tab is used for a better viewing connection. Here you can choose the type of connection speed you have and then choose to activate or deactivate certain features. For example, If we indicate that our connection is via satellite, the computer automatically disables certain things like desktop backgrounds. You may also choose to allow bitmap caching and automatic reconnection attempts if the connection is lost. Uncheck the defaults if you choose not to have those options. Finally, the Advanced tab has options for security. The first is regarding server authentication. The setting here is dependent on your security policy. The second is regarding your ability to connect from anywhere. You may wish to consult with Rossware or an IT professional before adjusting these advanced settings. We'll now go ahead and click Connect. As long as we trust this connection, we'll go ahead and say Connect. Now we'll enter our password. You are now connected and the remote desktop will open. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching How to Connect to Rossware Server Solutions.